Did you know that 85% of professional success comes from strong people skills, yet only 10% of organizations invest heavily in communication training? Organizations with weak interpersonal communication suffer costly consequences: toxic work environments, high turnover, and poor customer relationships. Many companies lose millions in productivity due to communication breakdowns, conflict, and misaligned teams. The impact ripples through customer satisfaction, employee engagement, and bottom-line results. For individuals, poor people skills create daily challenges and career barriers. Many professionals struggle with difficult conversations, team dynamics, and building meaningful relationships. Teams experience unnecessary conflicts, reduced collaboration, and stress from communication gaps that could easily be bridged with proper skills. This transformative course builds exceptional communicators. Through interactive scenarios, participants master active listening, emotional intelligence, and conflict resolution. Learn to handle difficult personalities, deliver feedback effectively, and build strong professional relationships. Practice proven techniques for influence, empathy, and clear communication across all channels. Results are immediate. Organizations report 40% fewer conflicts, 45% better team collaboration, and significantly improved employee satisfaction. Teams develop stronger bonds, clearer communication patterns, and more effective problem-solving abilities. Participants gain confidence in all interpersonal situations, develop skills to build and maintain professional relationships, and learn to communicate with impact. These abilities translate into stronger leadership presence, more successful team interactions, and enhanced career opportunities. Don't let poor communication hold you back. Transform your interpersonal skills with proven techniques that build strong professional relationships. Enroll now to join professionals who know how to connect, influence, and succeed through effective communication. Your career growth depends on the people skills you develop today.